Okay guys, today we are going to assess diabetic patient using the CATS Index IDL and MMSE. Me and Joshua will assess the patient daily activity with CATS Index.
Me and Rosemary will handle the MMSA assessment.
And we will also help the documentation and summarizing the results.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, let us introduce ourselves. We are nursing team on duty today. Okay, for the first, may I know your name? Okay, please mention your name and date of birth.
Jessie, 1955.
Okay, it's correct, yeah. So, how do you feeling right now, ma'am?
I'm feeling better.
Okay, that's good, yeah, to hear. So today we are going to do two assessments. For the first assessment, we are to check your daily activity and to check your memory.
So, ma'am, this assessment will help us to know your condition right now. So, it will assess your cognitive and also your functional status. For the CATS index, we will see if you can do bathing, do toileting, do walking around, and also holding the bowel and also urinating movement.
And for the memory, we will use something called MMSE or Mini Mental State Examination. It's to check your orientation to time and place, your attention, your memory, and your language skills.
Is it okay with you, ma'am?
That's fine.
It's okay for me. You can assess my mom, and I will go leave for a while because I want to take a breakfast. You can take her.
Okay, so we do the cuts first, yeah? Yeah.
Okay,
Let's start with your daily activities first, yeah, ma'am. Just to understand how independent you are in your daily routine.
Okay, ma'am. So, first is for bathing. For bathing, can you do it by yourself or you need help?
I can, but sometimes my child helps me.
Okay, I see. So when your child help you, which part of your child help you with? I mean, like, does your child helping you to touch something or washing a certain area, or just helping you in or out from bedroom or out of bedroom?
Usually getting in and out, but sometimes washing my bed.
Okay, so you are independent, still need some assistance for yeah, ma'am. Okay, how about getting dressed, ma'am? Can you choose and put on your clothes by yourself?
Sometimes I can, but if I feel tired, I need help.
Alright, what part feel difficult when you tired? Is it putting on clothes, button, or standing while dressing?
Standing and putting on clothes.
Oh, so fatigue. The function is fatigue affect your ability to dressing. Okay, next for toileting, ma'am. So for the toileting, can you ever get a situation that you cannot get to toileting? Can you manage it by your own?
Yes, but I move slowly.
Have you ever feel unsteady when you going to toilet?
Yes, but I need hold into something.
Got
Okay,
it.
no, so you're independent, but there's a fall risk to slow movement and need for support.
Okay, next for incontinence, ma'am. Are you able to hold your bladder and also your bowel movement?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Have you ever get a situation that you cannot able to control it?
No.
Okay, good. So incontinence is still well controlled, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, how about eating? Can you feed by yourself?
Yes, I can.
Do you have any difficulty like swallowing and chewing?
No, it's fine.
Oh, so you can do independently anything. Okay, based on assessment, patient has a partial dependent, also has a fatigue, and also has a weakness, and also patient need assistance or help to do her activity.
Okay, we also note to the patient need assistance especially with bathing, dressing when fatigue, and transferring.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. We're back. Today we're gonna do the second assessment. It will be MMSE or memory assessment. It's about take 5 minutes. Are you willing with that?
Okay.
Okay. The first one is it orientation time. I will ask you about some questions. The first one, what are the year is it now, ma'am?
It's 2026.
What month is it now, ma'am?
It's April
What date is it now, ma'am?
2nd.
Okay, and then the last, what date is it now, ma'am?
It's Tuesday.
Okay.
Okay, now I will ask some question about the placement. What country are we in now?
Indonesia,
And what the province are we in?
Banten,
What city?
Tangerang,
Okay, and where are we right now?
in the hospital.
Do you know what floor is it?
It's 3. Okay, the next is I'm going to say 3 words. Remember, yeah? Ball, book, and cat. Can you repeat me? Ball, book, cat. Okay, I will ask you again later, yeah?
And next, I would like to check your concentration. Please count backward from 100 by subtracting 7.
First is 100, and then 93, and then 86, and then 79, and then 72.
Okay, good. Now, the another question is, please spell your name.
Jessi.
Okay, now spell it backward.
Issej.
Okay, great.
Okay, now I will recall your memory. Do you remember 3 words that I mentioned it before? Ball, book, cat. Okay, great.
Okay, ma'am. Next, can you follow my instructions? Okay, you fold. Can you fold it in half? Okay, and get it back to me. Okay, good. Now, next, can you read and follow the sentence, please?
Close your eyes.
Okay, you can open your eyes again and write some sentence here.
Anything?
Anything.
This is my name.
Okay, that's right. Okay, this is the design here. Can you follow to draw it? Yes. Okay, that's right.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. Now we have done for the memory assessment. Now we have to discuss it again with the first team, which is the CATS assessment. And then later we'll back to you to show the result with your family. Yeah?
Thank you, nurse.
Excuse me. Okay, for the result of assessment MMC, the orientation time all correct.
Okay. And the orientation place is all correct too.
For the registration, all correct too.
And attention and calculation also correct.
Okay, and then for the recall, also correct.
And the patient also correct in naming the objects.
Okay, so the MMC score is 30 out of 30. Okay, we will discuss with the first thing.
Okay.
Based on the CAS ADL assessment, patient got 4 score for her activities, which means patient indicated as mild impairment functional.
Okay, and for the MMSE, the patients got 30 out of 30, which means the cognitive function is in normal limits.
Okay.
So we back to the question.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Welcome back. We already count for your 2 assessment, which are CAS and also MMSE test. And for the CAS, we already got 4 mild impairment functional.
Okay, for the memory assessment, you got 30 out of 30, which is your cognitive function is in normal.
Even though your memory is good, you're still at risk of falling due to weakness and shortness of breath, ma'am.
We recommend you to do activities regularly, and maybe your family can support and also help her while with it.
I will assist and help her.
Okay, if you have any short of breath, dizziness, or any complaints, or any question that you might ask to us, you can press the bell on your website, yeah, ma'am?
Thank you, nurse. Okay, we are excused. Yeah, ma'am. Excuse me.